Facial Cleansing Brush Reviews. Item specifics. Item type, cleanser. Ingredient, synthetic fiber plus plastic handle. Type, electric facial cleansing brush. Voltage, none. Application, face brush. Function, face massager. Style, vibrating massager. Gender, unisex. Features: 100% brand new. Electric facial brush. Compact design. Smooth your face. Improve skin luster and elasticity. For daily use. Package: 1 clean machine. 1 soft brush. 1 rolling massager. 1 makeup sponge. 1 latex sponge soft. 1 crude polish accessory. Specifications: 1 exfoliating of dead skin cells to reveal a roseate, youthful skin. 2 massage and application of cream to better penetrate the skin and keep it nourished and hydrated. 3 removing hard cells underfoot to elbow. 4 power by 2 Zabatters. Electric facial washing brush cleaning machine. 2,570 orders. Average star rating, 4.6 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.